I really wanted that thing. I just want to sing. I love you, baby. Won't you bring all the flowers you find out in the garden? Don't tell me the truth that your heart has hardened, but you don't want me anymore. How can it be? Look what you've done to me. The bee just quickly sting. I was wondering if you could maybe, darling, think I'd give everything if you'd grant my love a pardon, and then the fruits again would fill the garden. But you don't want me anymore. How can it be? Look what you've done to me.
Suur aitäh, meil õnnestus see ka õnneks ära näha, see oli Dandy ja Face Viljandi.